Spectrum Mobile, operating on Verizon's network, adheres to FCC guidelines allowing device unlocks for eligible customers. Unlocking removes restrictions, enabling you to use your phone with other carriers. Key factors are eligibility and waiting periods. For most prepaid devices, a 6-month active service period with paid-off status is required. Postpaid devices are unlocked immediately upon fulfilling the contract with no outstanding balance. Stolen or lost devices are ineligible. First, confirm your device's eligibility via the Spectrum mobile app or website, or by calling 1-833-488-7366. Locate your IMEI number by dialing *06 or through your phone's settings. Submit your unlock request online or via customer service. You'll receive a confirmation code via email or text with instructions to complete the unlock. Since 2024, Spectrum supports eSIM unlocks for compatible devices, allowing digital unlocks without physical SIM swaps. Remember, third-party unlocks may void warranties, so always use Spectrum's official channels.